Hi, this is Vivian from Viv's Creations. I received a Happy Mailbox. Happy Mail. Happy Mail. From Grammy Tube, Pam on YouTube. She sent me the pine cones I've been wanting forever. Ever and ever. They're beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you, Pam. You didn't have to do all this. You know how you always say people don't know when a card is a card. Okay, here's some lace. I just love it. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. I wasn't expecting, and there's a lot. All of that. Here's my card she sent me. Here's my card. And stickers. Bling in there too. Look at that. Bling. I love this netting. The bling is so pretty. Pretty blue bag. Look at all that. No telling what I might get into. It's so pretty. Okay, here we have some acrylic flowers. You might say I hit the jackpot all the way around. Aren't they pretty? Paper clips, the plastic ones. I love to use these. Pretty blue ribbon.